Welcome to Aishu's Kitchen. Today I am back with one more interesting and exciting recipe, that is the mushroom Manchurian. This looks yum, isn't it? So for many exciting recipes like this, please do stay tuned to Aishu's Kitchen and do support Aishu's Kitchen. Now let's get started. Let me quickly tell you the ingredients that we'll be using for making a hot and spicy mushroom Manchurian. Here I have taken mushrooms here. I have cut them this way into two and I have taken them, and then soya sauce, red chili sauce, garlic. I have finely chopped the garlic. I have used 5 to 6 cloves of garlic here, and then tomato sauce, sesame seeds. I have taken 2 teaspoons or 1 teaspoon is also fine of sesame seeds, red chili powder, salt as per taste, and pepper powder. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon of salt, and I have taken 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and half a teaspoon of pepper powder, green chili, finely chopped green chili, finely chopped coriander. Here I have taken maida. Here I have used 2 tablespoons of maida, and here I have used corn flour, 4 to 5 tablespoons of corn flour, and finely sliced capsicum. I have used 1 capsicum, medium sized capsicum here, and we'll also be using oil for deep frying our mushrooms. Now let's get started with our dish. Firstly, let us prepare the batter for our mushroom Manchurian. Here I'll be using the corn flour. I have taken 4 to 5 tablespoons of corn flour. To this, I'll be adding the maida, 2 tablespoons of maida. If you don't have corn flour, then you can alternate with maida only. You can add complete maida, and if you want, you can even add rice flour to it to give that crispiness. I'll be adding the salt, and then the chili powder, let us mix this. We'll be adding water. I've mixed this to this consistency, the flowing consistency. So we will dip our mushrooms and deep fry them. I've also kept oil for deep frying. Once it is hot, let us deep fry this mushroom. Let us check if our oil is hot. Now the oil is hot. Let us drop our mushrooms into it. Let us dip our mushrooms into the batter this way. We have to coat them with this batter and then fry them in the oil. These are now fried well. Let us take them out. I have deep fried these mushrooms. These are now ready. Let us prepare the Manchurian for these mushrooms. Now, here I'll be preparing the Manchurian. Heated a pan. I'll be adding oil to it. We are adding 2 tablespoons of oil. 1.5 or 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, let us add green chili. And then finely chopped garlic. Let me add the capsicum. I'm gonna lightly fry them, and then I'll be adding the pepper powder, the salt as per taste. We'll mix this all together. Soya sauce. Here I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, one and half teaspoon of soya sauce, and then the red chili sauce, quickly mix this as we don't want this to be burnt. And then to this I'll be adding the tomato sauce. To this I'll be adding the slurry of the cornstarch. I've mixed water and cornstarch in this and made a slurry of it. I'll be adding it. We'll mix this well. Carefully. We'll mix them well together in the Manchurian. If you want this to be very spicy, you even can add chili powder to it. Now I'll be adding the sesame seeds. And let me top this with freshly chopped coriander. Let's mix this all together. And a hot sizzling mushroom Manchurian is now ready. The restaurant style mushroom Manchurian. Mushroom Manchurian is now ready. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. This looks so yum, isn't it? For many exciting recipes like this, please do support to Aishu's Kitchen and do subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Bye. Take care.